Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR the next from the 2022 Wave 1. We have Kyle Busch's Atlanta Truck Win car. Atlanta Truck Win. Here's the back. Let's take a look. Let's get Kyle Busch out of the box. So here is Kyle Busch holding up the trophy for Atlanta as he won the FR8 Auctions 200. And he led a total of 102 laps, in which that's really a lot for 130 laps. And that's a lot, so he basically dominated the whole race. And here is his truck. So Kyle Busch does own a truck series team in which he's won a couple of owners championships and won, I think, 2 drivers championships with Eric Jones and Christopher Bell. So on the back it says Rowdy Energy, which is his brand of drink, at Murphy USA, which is a gas station. Here's the number 51 truck with Cessna Bench Craft with the Toyota Tundra, obviously, because he has driven a Toyota for most of his career. A nice black car with red lines, red stripes, red and white sides, obviously like all of his Cessna schemes. He has driven the 4 once. On the back, Cessna with 51. A nice, good-looking Toyota Tundra car. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.